I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming key prerequisites. Verify your Surface model supports the type cover and that the tablet has power. Plug the charger in and wait until the battery indicator shows at least minimal charge. This prevents failures during setup. Next, examine the keyboard's magnetic strip and pogo pins for debris or bent pins. Clean gently with a dry cloth. Once done, align the keyboard magnets with the tablet edge and let the connectors seat. You should feel a slight snap as they attach. After the cover is seated, open the Surface cover or press the Windows key to wake the device. This triggers the keyboard handshake. If the keys don't respond, go to Settings Update and Security and run Windows Update to fetch type cover drivers. Updates often resolve recognition issues. Make sure Bluetooth is off for magnetic keyboards and restart the machine after installing drivers. If you see a keyboard icon in the taskbar, test typing in Notepad to confirm input and function keys. Finish by validating all features. Test the function row, backlight, and trackpad gestures in settings so you know everything works. If problems persist, detach the cover, clean contacts again, then reattach firmly and restart the Surface. Rebooting often completes driver handshakes. As a troubleshooting tip, try a different type cover or another Surface to isolate hardware versus software faults. If pins are bent or keys unresponsive despite updates, arrange repair or replacement through Microsoft support to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.